Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing another video, and today I'm also going to be in NBA Live. You guys should go download it. It's going to be in the comments down below with the title NBA Live. So you guys should go to the Play Store and type down NBA Live. It's a game. You guys should go download it. It's a very fun, sick game. And I'm going to be playing, I'm not going to be playing NBA. I'm going to be opening up basketball cards. So like and subscribe. I'm going to be opening up basketball cards. You guys did not know I like basketball. Not that I think you like that. I didn't think you guys knew that I like basketball. I think I have one of them. I think I have Rivers. But yeah. Let's go again. I have 30,594 more coins. So yes. Oh, it's nice. Okay. And I get more money in the game. Which is very sick and very cool. And I just got more coins, so let's go and buy again with some coins in the game. So you guys should really go download it so you could get cards like I'm getting. And you can collect them. You could sell your characters, which is funny, but you could sell them to a different team and stuff. But you could sell your characters for like coins and stuff, which is very sick and very fun to do. I'm gonna do that pro pack one more time with 10,000 coins. I have 15,094 more coins left. And $488 left. Let's go here. Yes! Okay, so this is a big update for my team. That's very nice. And I got 50 credits. Okay, very nice. And that's not all today. I'm going to be opening up more, which is going to be sick, because it's going to be very good. It's going to be upgrading my team, so it's going to be upgrading my team so I can win more games. That's why I'm opening up these basketball cards so I can put these guys on my team. And yes, I think I already got I don't know how to say that name. And I think I already have him, so 69 Michael, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but it's very nice, and I got 200 more coins, so I might as well open another pack. Reveal all. Ellington. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but yeah, I already have him. So because I got him in the pro pack, but still nice to know. I have 2 or 3. That might be my 4th one so far. I don't have enough for that one or that one. I think, do I? Yep, no. I think so, nope. And I need to get more character stuff so it can upgrade my team. And if you guys like this video, like and subscribe so I'll be coming up with more videos. So like and subscribe if you had a good time today. I'm not out yet, but like and subscribe if you had a good time today. And yes, peace. I am out.